Today, we will be showing the installation process of our 3-drawer understairs storage unit. This unit was fitted into that small triangular space under the customer's stairs. First, our fitter builds the carcass of the unit. This is then fitted into the unused space under the stairs. Our fitter then creates the drawers for the unit. These drawers are then placed into the carcass of the unit, followed by the drawer faces. After this, the skirting board is installed, along with the architrave to finish it off. You can see just how much household items can be stored in the drawers, from shoes, biking gear, school supplies, to soft drinks. Our understairs storage units can fit into even the smallest of spaces under your stairs. Contact us today to start your storage transformation. Visit our website at smartstorage.ie to get started.